In this video, we'll show you the steps to settle a bill with a guest during the checkout process. Select room G2 for the checkout. Click on the Checkout button in the pop-up modal. Click on the Bill and Checkout button in the pop-up modal. Select the room rent charge by clicking the checkbox next to it. Select the advance charge from the bill. Click on the Bill button to finalize the bill with the selected charges. Select the checkbox next to the bill ID to choose the bill for settlement. Enter the cash amount received in the Cash field of the bill settlement form. Click on the Update Settlement button to save the changes made to the bill. Click the Print Bill button to print the bill and complete the checkout process.